Dongtai Chun Hing Technology Co., Limited. One-stop paper cutting solution provider. Dongtai Chun Hing Technology Co., Limited is invested and established by the leading corporation in paper cutting machine industry, Shenzhen Shengkong Machinery Equipment Co., Limited. CHM has participated in formalizing the industrial standard, DAB standard, paper sheeter cutting machine industry in China. CHM is the only Hong Kong brand of roller paper cutting machine in mainland China. Dongtai Chun Hing occupy an areas of 60 mu, around 10 acres. Building areas of 27,000 sq meter. The company was approved as a national high-tech enterprise and a small and medium-sized technology enterprise in 2021, and is an approved enterprise of Dongtai Municipal Strategic Promotion Plan. CHM is now manufacturing 3 major categories of product with tens of different specification. Productivity and sales figure is the top in the industry for consecutive years. CHM manufactures paper roller sheeter and cutting machinery equipment. CHM Precision High-Speed Sheeter Series is the leading product in the field of traditional single-blade paper cutting machine technology, with the implementation of variable frequency servo control method. Make sure cutting precision has achieved international standard. CHM SGT High Precision Synchronized Fly Sheeter Series are developed to focus on cutting of thicker paper type, can solve the problem of fuzzy cut edge effectively, while satisfy the need for high GSM and high precision paper cutting at the same time. Furthermore, papers can be loaded to printer directly after cutting. A3, A4, A5 copy paper cutting machine and fully automatic production line, achieving the cutting of roller paper in vertical direction, horizontal direction, paper conveying, packaging, box packaging, and stacking in a fully automatic production process, boosting productivity to a new height. CHM excels in innovative and research ability. We are the top within the industry. Since 2004, CHM has owned more than 110 patents accumulatively. More than 10,000 corporations in paper industry worldwide have chosen CHM paper cutting machines. In Dongtai Chun Hing we have successfully hosted 6th and 7th Shengding Group one-stop printing solution promotional exhibition. Every exhibition has been a bustling event, attracted more than 400 buyers and manufacturers to visit from mainland China and overseas, with promotional events such as big sales, extensive guarantee period. Sales figure went higher than never. We contribute to push forward the development of the whole printing and packaging machinery industry, promoting a win-win environment and benefits the whole industry. CHM is always the most reliable partners for you.